This foldable cycle fits in the trunk of your car. Hey guys, and welcome to AJ's vlog. In today's bike spec, we are going to be checking out the Brompton foldable cycle. This is a foldable cycle. Probably amongst the easiest to unfold and carry around. Doesn't take long for it to actually assemble it back. The locks are simple and very convenient. And you're done. The Brompton bike can be customized when you're buying it. It gives you multiple options when it comes to drivetrain. It comes with a single speed, 2 speed, 3 speed and 6 speed. The 3 speed at the back is all hub gears. Therefore you will not see a shifter. All the shifting happens inside. The wheels on this are 16 inches. It may seem small, but to ensure your rider comfort, they have given a larger crank to compensate for the smaller wheel. Therefore it is quite comfortable to commute everywhere. The frame in this is rigid. There is no shock absorber, but for a little bit of added comfort, there is a little rubber module here which adds a little bit of shock absorbing effect to the bike. Metal pedals are standard to the bike. While the right pedal is a rigid pedal, the left pedal is foldable. There are dual rim brakes provided on the bike. The seat is designed for commuter comfort. Therefore, as you ride, you'll find this quite comfortable. The bike comes with 3 handlebar options. Plus, it has 2 options when it comes to stem 2. The metal brake levers ensure that they last for a long time. A standard accessory with this bike is this pump. Depending on the components that you choose, the bike cost will range between 1 lakh and 1,35,000 rupees. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and do share with your friends. And until next time, safe ride everyone.